Welcome to OneSub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OneSub support team. Today I'm going to show you how to get the embed code for your booking calendars or booking hubs so you can add them to your website. Once you are signed into the OneSub account, this is the interface you will see. Click on the blue calendar icon in the left sidebar that says booking calendars. Click on the share button next to the relevant booking calendar that you want to embed. Then click on website embed and then just copy the code. This is the code that you can use on your website to embed the booking calendar and make the scheduling process seamless for your clients. If you would like to embed a booking hub instead, click on the booking hub in the left sidebar, then click on the share button, then click on website embed, and then just copy the code. Again, you can use the same code in the website designer to embed the booking hubs. In addition to this, you can customize the embedded theme of the booking calendar that matches to your website theme. To do this, click on the share button, go to website embed, click on customize design. Here you can match the color of the booking calendar to match the color of your theme of the website. Once you are satisfied with the color, you can click on apply and get the updated code. And that's it about embedding. Thanks for watching.